Hello and thank you for your interest in Language Portability Solutions Partner Program. This video is designed to introduce you to the partnership opportunities available with our company. Language Portability is a company dedicated to helping businesses reduce costs and improve productivity while upgrading legacy COBOL applications to the latest object-oriented technology. We offer two types of partnership opportunities, a referral partner and an integration partner. A referral partner markets and promotes legacy COBOL modernization and migration solutions to their customers and prospects, and if they find an interested party, refers them to LPS to work directly with them. A referral partner can be as active as they wish during the process, but LPS takes the lead on the project. All billing to the customer is generated by LPS with a previously agreed upon referral fee provided to the partner when payments are received. An integration partner controls all aspects of the project from introduction to completion, including consulting services. An integration partner provides all pre-sales analysis, sales proposals, billing, implementation, and testing. Although LPS is available to help answer questions and assist with estimations, planning, and demonstrations, the degree of interaction with the customer LPS provides is at the sole discretion of the partner. When the analysis is over and the business awarded, the partner provides legacy COBOL code, files, and test data to LPS for conversion and unit testing. Upon completion of the code conversion, LPS provides the completed project to the partner for full system and integration testing. LPS invoices the integration partner for converting the code, but the partner provides all consulting or add-on services direct to the customer. Let's examine what is motivating companies to modernize their legacy COBOL application. For starters, COBOL is hard to maintain and support. COBOL programmers are becoming increasingly scarce and expensive, and the legacy platform COBOL resides on are expensive to maintain and support. And finally, COBOL does not integrate well with new and emerging technologies. Cost reduction through migration of mainframe systems to servers has been proven to be an effective means of lowering the cost of computing, but it does not come without risk. The Gartner Group estimates that mainframe migrations reduce the cost of computing anywhere from 40 to 70%. Let's examine the three primary migration paths available to most enterprise mainframe COBOL sites. First is the rehost lift and shift. A mainframe COBOL to micro COBOL rehosting strategy involves the lowest cost and risk. However, it also accomplishes the least in preparing the enterprise for the future because COBOL applications are not easily adapted to new technologies. At the opposite end of the cost-risk curve lies the path of re-architecting and rewriting the software portfolio. With this option comes a portfolio with a clean design tailored specifically to take advantage of modern technologies. However, in most cases, as the enterprise grew and responded to conditions in the marketplace, little time and effort was spent on documentation. That means today, the only compilation of the business rules by which the entire enterprise operates is the code itself. During a re-architecting and rewriting process, someone has to extract those rules, document them, and then correctly apply them using a whole new programming paradigm. Unfortunately, experience shows this approach rarely succeeds. And finally, an automatic transformation. The final migration path, and the one that LPS offers, lies in the middle. Our technology is targeted to provide the maximum amount of modernization possible before the cost and risk accelerate to an unacceptable level. Our migration path eliminates the risk associated with re-architecting and rewriting while delivering most of the benefits. Please refer to our YouTube channel for a demonstration video on mainframe migration risk versus ROI. Besides the risks just discussed for embarking on a manual rewrite, other benefits of using an automated tool to transform legacy COBOL application to a new language include: manual code conversions are expensive. Industry cost estimates range from $6 to $12 per line of code at an average accomplished rate of 160 lines of code per day when factoring in testing. Using these estimates, the time it would take to manually rewrite 2 million lines of code requires approximately 66 man-years of labor. With a team of 20 developers, the project would take somewhere in their neighborhood of 3 years to complete. Because manual migrations are long and expensive, it is very difficult to resist adding new functionality and requirements during the project. When scope creep happens, the migration task gets longer and riskier, and it is much more difficult to test because it is no longer functionally equivalent to the existing system. While the migration team is attempting to build a replacement, the legacy system must still continue to support the company. It must evolve to meet corporate needs, so changes are inevitably made during the period of a manual rewrite. These conflicting goals almost always cause problems for the migration team because they now need to rewrite and retest already converted code to incorporate these changes. You may be asking, why would you want to partner with Language Portability? For starters, we believe we have the most modern and advanced technology on the market today for transforming COBOL applications to object-oriented C#. Some of the key features our technology offers include industry-leading conversion rates that exceed 99.9%, a conversion methodology that produces readable, concise, well-structured C# code that is maintainable by C# programmers, a low per-line conversion cost without annual licensing fees, a fully featured web transaction server that replaces CICS, conversion of BMS maps to MVC, HTML5 Razor models and views, VSAM and DB2 to SQL Server data migrations, JCL conversions, and an end result that is cloud ready. Please refer to our YouTube channel for a video demonstration of our COBOL to C# automated filtering technology. Now that you know who we are and the problems we solve, let's form a partnership that our mutual customers and prospects can benefit from. To get started, you can complete the short partner submission form located within our website's partner section, and someone from our company will be in contact. To recap our two partnership opportunities, we offer a referral partnership for those who only wish to market and promote legacy COBOL modernization and migration to their customers and prospects, but is not interested in managing the project, or an integration partnership for those who wish to utilize Language Portability's COBOL to C# technology on collaborative projects but wants to manage all aspects of the engagement. Thank you for viewing our partner program video. If you'd like to discuss our partner programs in greater detail, please call us toll-free at 866-731-9977 or send us an email at info@languageportability.com.